As a small factory within a big corporation, we were always striving to show, what do we bring to the party. So there was a high level of innovation that went on here. We have been changing our product mix and what we make, and that required an investment in the facility and the tools.
Anytime you're expanding a business, it's very difficult, to get investment. And so the first divisions that we established, like I said, lifting and CNC machining, there was an element of self-financing to those divisions.
So I think one of the important things is always to benchmark your business. And sometimes you've got to go outside your actual industry or your sector or your size to try and see what's out there. We've had support from CeeD to do benchmarking trips. Recently, myself and a colleague journeyed down to North Wales to visit the Toyota engine plant in Deeside. The secret for us is not to think about it as a mass manufacturer. It's about the culture and the way that they end up building that product and the quality that they build into the product. And that to me was what we were trying to capture in our business.
I always look at things in terms of people and product and process. We still have an existing product portfolio that we're still developing and completing the range. We have still a few trucks to add to that product range. And to do that, we need to continue to invest in R&D. We need to continue to invest in the engineering of those products.
We're going to grow to probably double the turnover in the next 12 months, so we're going to need a lot more staff. We're operating from an office now in Preston, which was opened 6 months ago. We've only this week taken an office in Inverness, which will allow us to cover the north of Scotland. From an M Group Services point of view, it's UK-wide growth.
I think for future-proofing business, the investment skills is really important within the UK. I think there's a lot of work that could be lost to overseas bidders, especially in our line of work in circular economy in the wind industry. And I think for a truly circular economy, you want all that work to be as local as possible.
CeeD have been a very good organisation for us to partner with Albacom Limited, because they have introduced us to a number of different companies in the industry where they have different skill sets, and been very helpful in the journey between ourselves and Albacom in the renewable energy sector.
I think a lot of what you can get out of CeeD is what you put in and looking for those opportunities. I think a lot of people in a lot of industries, ours included, you think that problems are individual to your industry or your factory, when actually if you ask the questions, there's lots of other people have had similar challenges, have overcome them in a different way.